Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing barriers. Check screen time and MDM first. In Settings, attempt setting screen time and enter or reset the screen time passcode with your Apple ID. Once done, update iOS and restart the device to clear transient permission locks. Next, go to Settings, General VPN and Device Management and locate any managed profiles. If present, note the removing account or contact your administrator. Make sure you have recent backup before trying to sign out. Now disable protection layers. Open screen time, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle them off. Enter the screen time passcode or use Apple ID Recovery if needed. After that, remove any configuration profiles in VPN and Device Management. Tap the profile and choose Remove. If removal is blocked, contact the organization that provisioned the device. Once restrictions and profiles are cleared, go to Settings, tap your name and tap Sign Out. Follow prompts to keep or remove local data, then confirm the sign out process. Finish by ensuring Find My is off and the device is removed from your iCloud devices. Open Settings, your name, Find My, and disable it, or sign into iCloud. Calm and remove the device. If sign out still fails, erase the device. Settings, General Transfer, or Reset, erase all content and settings, then restore from your backup. If problems persist, gather purchase proof and MDM/Apple ID details, and contact Apple support for account-based removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.